So, first off, 89% of talent says that actually being contacted by the recruiter themselves can make them accept a job offer quicker. And that's a pretty high percentage that we wanted to really emphasize for you guys here today. Being contacted, allowing the recruiter to find you, since again, you branded your materials, that's going to show that that initial outreach will cause these candidates, these job seekers, the talent to accept that job offer quicker. Also, the most effective talent branding tools are those company websites, and that's 68%. Also, online professional networks, for example, LinkedIn, which we're going to get into today, and also social media platforms. And also, top recruiters are 60% more engaged with LinkedIn recruiting tools, which we're going to cover a couple of those tools today, two specifically, versus those average recruiters. And lastly, 87% of recruiters actually regularly use LinkedIn. And that's a really big percentage, and it's even growing as we speak. LinkedIn has become a very well-known platform. It's very popular. Lots of professionals, employers, companies are on LinkedIn. And a lot of recruiters now know that the talent they're seeking is right there in front of them on this platform, which is called LinkedIn. So we'll get into the specific tools later today, but keep in mind these statistics as we go throughout. And again, focusing on, again, how you can leverage these tools, how you can understand the background of a recruiter for when you do have these conversations.